Who's
He has a warehouse.
Savonsky?
Oh, that's my friend. He's the one I made the world with.
Wait, how many people worked on this world?
Before Glenn, like a few days ago, just me and him.
Really? That's so crazy.
Yeah, I wanna expand the world a lot.
That sounded sarcastic as
It
fuck.
sounded so sarcastic.
Yeah.
Whoa, dude!
No, I'm actually genuinely impressed. Like, that's so cool.
Whoa, dude! That's crazy.
Wow, Jan,
Dude,
that's
check it out.
amazing! Oh my
Wow,
god!
Jan, that's so sick, dude! Alright.
Jan, that's so
Oh,
fucking
dude,
cool,
after-
dude!
The classics.
I mean, you never know.
Mark, dude, I find it
Might
so
not
funny that your
be
dad
doctor.
calls you by your full name.
They're so short.
Yeah, but at the same
Wait,
time,
then-
dude, would you call your kid by his full name?
Yeah,
What's
Nicholas
this
Glenn.
supposed to be? Is this supposed to be the German dungeon sword?
Yeah.
Are you gonna build a diamond dick on top? Okay, well, it makes sense.
Alright.
It makes sense because it's a
Dude,
whorehouse.
holy shit, these balls are almost as big as mine.
Oh no, what is this? Oh no.
Wait, this could just be
Nicholas scale model of one. Alright,
no.
scale model of one.
Wait, Alex, I'm building this. Hey, what's this? Wait, what is this? I hate. Oh no. Wait, why is there a Hollywood sign?
Alright, there we go.
Hey guys, check out the Hollywood sign that's being made over there. Also, Mark, this isn't symmetrical.
I hate that! Wait, come here, follow me.
Yeah.
Let's have a contest. Who can spray the highest?
It's a pretty gay contest.
Oh, okay. I lose. Okay, I could see that.
Yo, are you admitting defeat?
Yeah, I don't know, dude. You should see Gum spray. It's pretty fucking high.
Oh, you guys are onto the Chris Chan hype as well?
Chris Tran?
I had to Google who the hell is Chris Chan.
Dude, Chris
Chris
Chan,
Chan
what a
is
motherfucker, am I right?
Oh my god.
Nah, wait till I pull up with my ult. I pull up.
I'll
Let's
pull up.
go.
He's quoting himself. Oh, fuck.
Oh, I hit her. Look, that's something you don't want to say out loud.
You did what to the woman?
I hit her. I did not hit her.
Sword. Do you like my sword? Oh fuck. Oh,
Dude, it's so broken. You have a gap closer.
Ah.
Jacob, watch this.
Yeah?
Watch this,
What?
Jacob, watch this. Come here.
Where are you?
Reloading.
Kobe. It's gone.
Like the real Kobe.
Bro.
What the fuck?
Oh my.
Hey, we gotta feed.
But you fed enough games already.
Louis, I'm so sorry. Louis can't catch a break, man.
Never played.
Jacob, do you wanna play with my dick?
I saw Scara play it. And Hugh.
Tonight?
Yeah, you're free tonight?
Nah.
Okay, how about tomorrow?
How about Saturday?
Yeah, that's
Top
cool.
of them.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah, just tell my secretary about it.
Yeah, don't worry. Okay, Louis, I need to tell you something.
You've done holding nothing.
Yeah,
Hey, there's no sword go. It's a lightsaber.
yeah, it's gone until you go in combat.
Wait, that's so cool.
Yeah, it's so funny, right? Look at it.
We have such a cool skin. Imagine if you had an epic skin, your Q would be like,
Ding 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 ding.
Boom boom bang.
Oh.
Dude, that's my next fucking YouTube video. Just me and Mark making sound effects.
Ding 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 ding.
Bing bong, ching chong. Salukatong bagu. Yo, Mark, let's invent our own language. I think
Shorter.
Sinchang ni Kapula. This sounds so racist, and I don't even know who it's racist towards. Oh, you died. I guess that's a likaruti tapu.
Ding ding dong.
I think this sounds like Vietnamese, I'll be honest.
You call it Vietnamese. Ôi 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 tiếng ơi cái nhau. Dude, I'm having mental damage from all the lava seconds.
Oh, it's the Penta!
Hey, tu kita penta tu.
Okay, I'm going. I'm go.
Vietnamese dali.
Well, the guy don't die.
Oh fuck!
Oh, Mark, you died, and then Talia also killed Jakob. Yo, I'm gonna call that has you ever killed out Schwaba?
No, it's not true. I can't. Why? This is so racist.
I'm gonna have to call that Puparakuta Latika Halabata.
No. It's not. Sure, yeah. Wow.
Hey yo, I'm gonna have to call that one Shunda Balaka.
I'm gonna fucking meet all of you.
What does that mean? What language is that? Dude, me and Karimaki carrying this game while speaking gibberish.
Oh, so close.
Oh!
Guys, the dog needs to go pee already, guys.
Okay, there's someone to be attacked. You go to the bathroom.
Yeah, you have time.
Let's go, Jacob.
What the fuck?
Meow meow.
I think your dog's broken.
What the dog do? What the dog do?
See, it'll be just like last game, you know. We lose pistol rounds.
Yeah, we
But we
lose
win
until we
that
get
game.
the big boy guns, you know?
Yeah.
Does I get the operator?
That's the biggest boy. Only for the biggest boys.
That's only for the 10-year-olds.
10 plus. Double shock that kill, let's go.
What the
Lamau.
Nice one! Last round in
Shock that.
spike planted.
Kobe!
Oh my god! Got him.
It went in him.
It's a fake wall. It's a fake wall, fake wall. They're here.
I don't know why I found that so funny.
Fake wall.
Oh my god.
Oh fuck. Okay, I'm gonna stop making fake love jokes, dude. I'm gonna stop.
No, keep going.
I thought she exited the DP, so that's why I would call a fake TP. A fake TP.
Don't stress if I die.